Hi, I'm Jack, the Cornish Fishmonger, and welcome to the Cornish Fishmonger's Kitchen. Now, I'm really excited to introduce you to John Dory. I think one of the most characterful fish. As you can see, they've got a really intricate head with this amazing jaw structure, which allows their jaws to open really wide. They've got amazing camouflage, so all the way down from browns to blues to greens, and that helps compensate for the fact that they're not the fastest fish. They also do live on their own, so unlike usual fish as you would expect to live in shoals, they're on their own in depths ranging all the way from 5 metres down to 350 metres. Something a bit unique, they've got this spot on the side which is known as an eye spot, and that allows them to confuse their prey, which then they use their amazing jaws on. John Dory is definitely one of the more premium fish, and we continue to see demand for them on all the top restaurant menus, and I can definitely see why. So we offer John Dory in a couple of preparations. We've got it whole here. Depending on the size, we might just trim up the fins and these spikes, which just helps it not burst the packaging that we'll pop it into for you. I love John Dory on the bone. I think all fish on the bone is amazing, but John Dory particularly has got a really nice firm texture, a great sweet subtle flavour, and that bone really helps impart some flavour, keep it nice and moist and a little bit more forgiving. If you don't want it on the bone, we can fillet it. We've got a great team of fishmongers here that can do all the hard work for you. So here I've got one John Dory filleted. For me, just keep it nice and simple, pan fried, not too complicated, let the nice subtle sweet flavour and the texture speak for itself. Something a bit unique again about John Dory is, unlike unusual whitefish, so a hake or a cod that's got one main muscle structure down the side per fillet, John Dory has 3. So as you can see, you've got one muscle structure at the top, one down the middle and one down the bottom. If you want any ideas on how to enjoy the delicious John Dory, do just hop onto our website, have a look around, or pick up the phone and give us a call. We're always happy to help.